Ever wanted to play Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu on your Android phone? It is possible through emulation, but it's a bit of a technical process. Here's a quick guide on how to get it done in 2025. First, you need a Nintendo Switch emulator for Android. The most popular ones are forks of the now discontinued Yuzu emulator like Tsuyu or Citron, which offer better performance and stability. You'll need to download the APK file from a trusted, community-run source. Once the download is finished, install the app on your phone. This is the most critical step. To play the game, you need the game file, called ROM, and a set of files called prod keys. We cannot provide these files as they are copyrighted material. You must legally acquire them by dumping them from your own Nintendo Switch. Downloading them from unofficial sources is against the law. Now open the emulator you just installed. It will ask for the location of your keys. Navigate to the folder where you place the prod keys file. The emulator will also ask for the location of your games. Navigate to the folder where you save the Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu ROM. Once it's all configured, the game's icon will appear in the emulator's library. Simply tap the game's icon to start playing. Keep in mind that Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu is a demanding game, so a high-end Android phone is required for a smooth and enjoyable experience.